Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Today I thought I would show you my little Michael's haul of Krissy and Design stickers. There is several packs. I want to say that there was like maybe 10 or 12 to choose from. I picked up these 6, and then she had a lot of washi options. I didn't get any of those, but I got these, and I thought I'd just do a quick flip through for you. So these 3 booklets had 10 sheets in each with a lot of silver foil, and they were $12.99 for 10 sheets in each book. I picked up the budget, and then these 2 were kind of seasonal. Now these next 3 were $6.99, and they have 5 sheets. I'll open these up and flip through these. And so there we have it. So that was kind of just like some fun mom quotes. This one book was more fitness related. And then I'd say this one had a lot of more fun quotes in it as well. So cute designs, and with the Michaels coupon, they really came out at a good price point. So any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.